Down Closet. Let's see what we have in the box. Y'all know I've been doing a lot of unboxings lately. Well, we got another one. That's right. We have another one. Stay tuned to see what's in the box. Woo! Welcome back, y'all, to Down Closet. Thank you so much for being here. It is another mofo unboxing, baby. Yes, you heard me. It's another unboxing. And this company and this person I want to tell you a little bit about. So stay tuned and we are going to get right into this. So the person's name is Sharon and the company is called It's a Belt. You can find her on Instagram and you can also find her on TikTok. On Instagram, every morning she does a morning teaser. What a morning teaser is she shows you products from the store in the morning, and there's some items that you can go and buy right away. So go and check her out. It's called It's a Belt. I'm gonna put the name up here so you see how it's spelled because it is spelled a little bit different. I also want to read to you a post she put up May 3rd of this year. She said, 1 year ago today, God gave a vision, and on this day, May 3rd of 2022, my vision became a reality. Happy 1 year birthday. So last year, 2021, and this year, 2022, is their 1 year happy birthday. She said, happy 1 year birthday to It's a Belt. May God continue to bless our business with more years to come. That is it on Instagram. I'm also going to read to you her thing off of Facebook. So on Facebook, you can find her again at It's a Belt. And I had it set here. Of course, it did not stay, and I apologize. But while we're waiting, if you are enjoying this so far, please subscribe, like, share it out. So let me read to you her bio here for It's a Belt on her Facebook page. And it's spelled ITZAH as in Harry, BELT. So it's a belt, okay? So let me read to you the bio. Business owner of It's a Belt. Her name is Sharon. And it says they're in Sacramento, California. They sell all different kinds of belts. We also offer clutches, wallets, earrings, sunglasses, and chokers. The business hours are Tuesday through Saturday. They're not open on Monday and Sunday. 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Remember, that's California time. And they are located at 2380 Watt, W-A-T-T Avenue in Sacramento, California, 95825. If you have any questions, give them a call. Their number can be found on their Facebook page. And again, they are closed on Sunday and Monday. So, let's see what we have for our unboxing. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. But, let's see. Okay, so I did pre-cut it, but I know I'm going to have to cut again. I see something else in here. Now, when I found her on Instagram, we started talking, and I really enjoyed her TikTok channel, and now I am attached to her Instagram. But she has such great items that I really, really love it, so I wanted to support her. Again, it's a Black-owned company. I don't only support Black-owned company, I support all businesses that are up and coming. If you are connected to me or the Booski compound, I'm going to support you. Now, I have a lot of people to support. If I don't get to you right away, please bear with me because I did order this, I think, about a month and a half ago. So I have ordered these things and I just haven't had time to make the videos because your girl stay booked, busy, and blessed. Thank you, Jesus. So just know if I purchase something from you, I did not forget. I am going to do the video. It's just, bear with me. Don't judge me. I love you guys. So let's see what I got. And y'all know I love me some purses. So it's packaged very, very well. Oh, I love that bubble wrap. So I don't know which one I want to take out first. I love it all. Okay, let's do this one. I'm going to show you guys like this. You're like, what is that? That looks pretty weird, right? This is actually a purse. If you look right there, you see the zipper. However, I want to tell you and show you what it looks like in the front. Are you ready? Give me some drum rolls in the chat. Here we go. It is a lip stick purse. Shut the front door. Now, you guys know I love purses. So, if you would like to send me a purse, my P.O. box can be found on my About section and in my description box. Send it to me, and I'll do a video on it. But, look at this, guys. Look at the... Put that lipstick on. Isn't this awesome? Look how that is. Like a patent leather. Then we have the platinum. And then we have the pink lipstick. And this is so cute. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like on the inside. When you open it, right, it has the belt. Because you see the hooks on the side. I'm going to take this out so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. I want to put this up because you guys know I have cats. I don't want them eating that. So that is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, so cute. I was looking to see if it had a zipper. It does not have a zipper. But it does have a belt, and you can wear it like that. How stinking cute is that, y'all? It's a belt. I'll put the name up here again. It's Sharon. Tell her Vern sent you. So hold on. I do not want to drop this. Let me put that there. The next one. You're like, what is that? Girl, it's a purse. Yes, it's another purse, as you can see. Oh, it's this way. As you can see, you're like, what is that, right? What does that look like to you? Does that look like anything to you? It is a deck of cards, y'all. Look at that. It's a purse. So let's look at it. There we go. It has the nice gold chain belt, and I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to take the paper from the inside. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let me get that because I don't want my cats eating that stuff there. Hold on. This is what it looks like on the inside. That's pretty big on the inside. I like that. And look at the gold chain belt. Let's put that on here. And let's see what it looks like with the belt on it. I just didn't open the lipstick belt because it's wrapped. Oh, hold on. The belt was wrapped. Look, y'all, look. Look. Come on now. Oh, crossbody. Shut up. Listen. Listen. This belt is heavy, y'all. I mean, this chain is heavy. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, we got one more to go, guys. One more to go. Let's see. This one you're gonna be able to tell, but anyway, I want to show it to you in a different way. Let me do it that way so you can't see it. So you're like, what is that? What is that? It's a heart. Isn't that the awesome? Uh-oh, there's a belt in there. Okay, hold on. Let me put that little white paper on the side. That was salt packet or whatever it is. It's to preserve the purses, the silica. I just don't want my cats to get it, so I don't want to put it down because they eat everything. My cats eat bologna. Shut up. Don't judge my cats. They hood cats. Yeah, they eat bologna. Look at that on the inside. It's nice. With at least you put your hand and stuff in it. And look at that belt, guys. Two? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, it comes with two. So it comes with the short one. If you want to wear it like that, you know, you just want to have a hand. And then you got the long one for the... Sharon, I didn't know it came with two. So look, guys, we got the deck of cards. The houndstooth is what I like to call this. And the lipstick. This is fun. I can't wait to wear this one. Y'all gonna be like, girl. Don't be trying to go for my purse, okay? So, go check out Sharon from It's a Belt. And again, I'll be putting the name up here. All the information will be in the description box. Go tell her Vern sent you. They not only sell belts and purses, but I also seen some clothes in there. I've seen some suspenders. She has different kind of purses. Again, check her out on Instagram, where she does morning teasers, where you will see the different ones. And listen, We have to support each other. The only way we're going to get ahead is by unity, right? We can make more with more people than with one, right? We can get further ahead. I'm sorry, I double talked there. We can get further ahead, right? With more of us in unison. So let's do that. Let's support each other. If you're still here, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. If you are interested in becoming a member here on Furniture Closet, baby, click that blue button right down below, because guess what? We have fun over here, okay? So I thank you all for being here. I super, super appreciate you. Again, go check out Sharon from It's About. And I wish you all the best. You go out there and be kind. Remember that today is a good day to have a great day. Never stop dreaming. I love you guys. Go out there and spread love and spread light. Bye.